Siddhu, are you ready?
Yeah,
What do you have today?
I have a train. My train can go fast, but my train can go first slowly, but my train can go second faster. Can I on it?
Yep. Why you got this train?
Yeah,
Who gave you this train?
Angelina
Who? Where this is train? Where this train is going?
is going to Iceland.
Iceland.
Yeah,
Who's going in the train?
Appa, Amma, Siddhu, Mama, Daddy, Atta, Tata, Siddhu, Venkatesh.
Venkatesh also coming in this train?
Yes.
Oh.
Everybody.
This train is hot train or cool train?
Cool train.
Oh, really?
You touch it, then you'll get fever and cough.
Oh, can I touch it?
No, it's very cold.
Good. Okay, that's good fun. Why Angelina gave this train to you?
Because my best friend.
How old are you now?
I'm five.
You're 5 years old?
Yeah.
Very good. Can you turn off the train?
The train.
Can you switch off the train? Good job.
No, that's you.
Wait. Say thank you.
Thank you.
See here and say thank you.
Thank